DJM TV.
We no go do table yarn with bandits. Now to bulldozer all of them, now we dey. Our ogbonge country people, how every day for una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when the time be so, when una take the look us on top our day-to-day tori yarns, when they share on top our correct Sabi TV station, when be DJM TV. My name as usual, na Stanley Okocha, una correct country brother. Na me wan yarn una the correct informate when don share on top this time. The federal government of Nigeria don yarn say dem no get any plan to take do any table yarn with bandits when they kpake and gbege for inside Nigeria. Country people, una go remember say Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, when be one Islamic book and preach man, when many people know and respect for inside Nigeria, don first yarn say make federal government do table talk meeting with the bandits when they do gbege for inside Nigeria, so that correct peace go come dey for inside the country. But for inside one tori people talk when the National Security Adviser NSA to President Muhammadu Buhari, when im name be Major General Babagana Monguno, when don get retirement for inside Naija Sojo, do with tori people today for inside Aso Rock for Naija. Im yarn say if dem do table talk meeting with bandits, e go come be like say the federal government weak like dodo. For im mouth, as im yarn with the tori people when e be say e dey for there, the government dey do everything to take bring solution mate to this gbege when the bandits don dey cause for inside Naija. We don yarn this one many times say na two arrange dey when we get to take bring solution mate to this wahala. The first one na soft arrange when concern talk table meeting with the bandits and some other arrangees. While government no dey against talk table meeting with the bandits, we need to yarn the truth. These people need to feel government weight small. Na that force we need to take put them for their place when e be say their body want. Because you no fit yarn with people when no dey put mind for one place. Sake of say you fit yarn with them now, them go do another thing, and dem be people when they do gbege for the whole society. So wetin government wan do na to really deal with the wahala with all the material when government get, when be sojo material, correct sense material, to take vamoose all these people comot from Naija, and if possible send them go thy kingdom come. As we dey deal with them, some of them go fit come here and say dem ready to come here with us. When that time come, we go know how we go see handle the matter. But for now, we no go fit just dey yarn table talk with them. For we mind for inside government, table talk no good for us. Sake of say e go fit come paint us the color say we weak pass dodo, and say we no fit put them for where they suppose be. Just like wetin the Kaduna State Governor Malam Nasir El-Rufai yarn, I no see anything when go make us no fit bulldozer all these people comot for inside Naija. Inside the kpake wahala when the shele for inside Naija, the pastor when Boko Haram be kpake and come give freedom don yarn say im no go fit yarn how im waka when e be say im dey with them after the kpake am. The pastor when im name be Bulus Yikura, when Boko Haram be kpake for inside Pemi village, when dey for inside Chibok local government area for Borno State for inside December 2020, before Boko Haram come give am freedom last Wednesday, yarn say na by the grace of God im take survival the time when im spend with the Boko people. When im dey yarn with our tori man, Pastor Yikura yarn say after the Boko Haram give am 7 days deadline to take leave, e come be get some kind fear when e be say e become catch am. But with the way im come take get im freedom, so im dey very happy, sake of say im come fit come out alive and come still fit meet with im wife and the pikins dem. Say for that one, im mind dey sweet well no be small. Im come say im for like yarn how im waka for inside the Boko people and but sake of say the way security people still take yarn with am say sake of the way im take comot from the boko people e good say make e suffer dey im own jejely and not yarn anyhow make e no be say if e come yarn dey come cause another big gbege for im own body so sake of that im go just keep im mouth short jejely so that wetin happen before im no go come pass through am but all the same im thank country people im thank president muhammadu buhari and im thank baba godeh when e be say e fit rescue am comot from the hand of the boko people. Still for inside the kpake matter the papa and mama of Leah Shaibu don beg government make dem use the same style when they take get freedom for other school children and even other people when e be say boko people and bandits don kpake. They say make federal government try use the same style to take comot their pikin comot for Boko Haram hand when e be say dem kpake since February 19 for inside 2018. The papa and mama of Leah Shaibu when their name be Nathan and Rebecca Shaibu yarn this one for inside one opudential informate letter when dem write go give Presido Muhammadu Buhari to remember the Presido sake of their daughter when e be say e don dey with the terrorists for 3 years now. For inside the letter when dem write dem yarn say oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari na with pain wen deep for inside our heart but we thank baba God when yarn say make we dey thank am for any wahala when person dey. We take write this obidential letter to come give you sake of say our pikin when we dey call Leah Shaibu when you know well say e still dey for inside the Boko Haram people hand. February 19 for the year 2021 go make am 3 years gbanga since dem kpake am with im secondary school mate. You fit gbege give freedom for March 21 2018 after only 1 month when e be say dem kpake all of them comot go put for inside bush. We join every Naija people especially the papas and mamas of all the school children when they don be kpake to thank you for the way you take quick gbege for their freedom. We wan use this opportunity take beg you make you use the same way and style when you use take get all these school children freedom to still get our pikin Leah Shaibu freedom. The Kankara boys for Katsina State get their freedom for only 6 days after e be say dem kpake dem comot from their school for December 2020. The Kangara school boys when dem kpake plus the passengers when dem still kpake for inside Niger State all these ones get their freedom after 1 week when e be say dem kpake dem while the 317 school girls of government girls science secondary school when dem be kpake for inside Jangebe town for inside Zamfara State get their freedom for March 3 2021. Those one no reach 1 week when they spend for inside the people and when e kpake dem. Mr. Presido, you don promise me for inside one full yarn when you do take call me say my pikin go soon get freedom sake of say table talk don dey go on that time to take give am freedom quick but 2 years don waka pass since you make that promise and Leah still dey with the people when e be say dem kpake am and that one na 3 years now. Oga Buhari, we beg you make you put yourself for our shoe and think am say Leah na your own pikin. How you go feel when you know say your girl pikin still dey where dem kpake am go sake of say e dey bold to say e no go fit change wetin e believe when e be say we dey call im faith. Now as e be say you don dey find solution mate to take give freedom to people when e be say dem kpake comot from where dem dey stay come carry go put for inside bush. We want say make you use this kind power and the kind style when you dey use still take gbege for our own pikin and all the other people when e be say dem still dey with the hand of people when e be say dem kpake dem. The whole world dey wait for you Oga Buhari sir to take do this one promise when e be say you don make. Country people una go remember say Leah Shaibu na one of the school children when Boko Haram people kpake comot for inside their school when they dey call Government Girls Science and Technical College when dey for inside Dapchi for inside Yobe State for February 19, 2018. And for that time Leah Shaibu na 14 years na she dey, and sake of say the years wey she dey that time she still dey very small, and these Boko Haram people come carry am comot and dem no gree come give am freedom when dem dey give the other school girls freedom sake of say dem kpake dem together, sake of say she too man say she no go fit change her faith wey be the Christian faith sake of say na wetin she believe na im be that one. Country pipo, we wan thank una on top the time when e be say una don take dey look us since, and we wan still use the opportunity take beg una make una like, share and comment for this news video inside our comment box when e be say e dey under the video there, so that we go know una mind how una feel concerning this matter when we still bring come for una. We wan still use this opportunity take beg una say if you be businessman for inside Naija, sake of say you get one goods wey you dey sell or you get one service wey you dey give to country people, make you bring that your business informate come so that we go fit yarn am to government people sake of for advertisement matter, and so country people go come know sake of say we get plenty of them wey dey always watch us anytime we knack tori come out, and they go come know about that your business wey you dey do, and they go come dey buy from you or dey do business with you. At the end of the day your business go come dey go siriri werere for inside Naija. We wan still beg una say if una never still subscribe as una don dey look us on top our TV channel, make una subscribe na DJM TV, and make una no forget to come put hand for the notification bell when e near that where dey subscribe, and so that you go continue to get our news alert anytime we knack am come out. Until next time when we go come give una ogbonge tori wey go don dey share that time, my name remain Stanley Okucha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.